Anatomy is not a backup plan. They say, oh, you studied anatomy, so you'll be working in a mortuary, right? As if that's all we are, as if we are just the leftovers of medicine's dream. But let me break the silence. Let me speak the truth we've been bearing under the weight of misunderstanding. Anatomy is not a backup plan. It is the blueprint of medicine, the silent architect of every surgeon's success, the map that guides the scalpel, the science that keeps hands steady when life is on the line. We study everything, from the heartbeat in the womb to the nerves that spark your smile. We go into the depths, veins, vessels, tissues, cells. Not just to memorize, but to understand, to define, to preserve life. People think medicine is professional. They forget it stands on pillars: anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. But when it comes to anatomy, they treat it like an alternative, like something you settle for when you didn't get medicine. But let me tell you, without anatomy, there is no medicine. There is no surgery. There is no OBGYN, no pathology, no understanding of how we live, grow, break, and heal. To the students in lab coats with overused microscopes, to the graduates with degrees they are still defending, you are not invisible. You are not less than. You are the ones who study the invisible, so others can heal the visible. You decode the mystery of life before birth, that's embryology. You analyze tissues to detect diseases, that's histology. You investigate death to understand life, that's morbid anatomy. You explore human variation, evolution, and identity, that's anthropology. You study life at its tiniest level, that's cell and molecular biology. You unlock inheritance and disease patterns, that's genetics. You bridge knowledge and clinical care, that's clinical anatomy. So when they ask, what can you do with anatomy? Tell them everything. Teach, research, innovate, heal. Led in public health, health tech, biomedical science, and more. We don't just learn bones and muscles. We build futures. We guide hands. We save lives, quietly, precisely, powerfully. So no, anatomy is not a course for those who didn't make it. Anatomy is a course for those bold enough to study the human story from the inside out. Respect the field. Respect the students. Respect the science. Because without anatomy, medicine can't even begin.